In this short tutorial, I will show you how to disable the one-handed keyboard feature on your iPhone. The one-handed keyboard is designed to make typing easier when using your iPhone with just one hand. However, if you find that it's not for you or if it's causing issues while typing, you can easily turn off this feature. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. After that, scroll down again and tap Keyboard. Now you'll see the one-handed keyboard option. Just tap on it. To disable the one-handed keyboard feature on your iPhone, simply tap and select Off. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.